In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect RoboForex to MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, you want to hover over the Help center over here, and then under Download, it's going to say MT5. So download MetaTrader 5. If you don't have it yet, you can just download it by clicking on this button, and it's going to download to your computer. You can set that up within just a few minutes, and then you'll be able to, of course, get started. But if you already have MT5 on your computer, you have to do the following. So open up your MT5 here, click on the File menu top left, and then click on Open an Account. In here, you want to search for RoboForex like this, and click on Find Your Company. And it should find RoboForex Ltd over here. Just click on that and click on Next. And then from here, you want to click on Connect with an existing trade account. And in here, you want to type in your login, so which is going to be your username, your account number that you get whenever you create a trading account inside RoboForex. And then after that, the password you also get together with your trading account. And then down here, the server, which usually you're going to receive upon creating your account. Okay, so that's how you do it. And then when you put in all this info, and if everything is correct, click on the Finish button, and then you'll be connected, and you'll be able to essentially start trading on MT5 with your RoboForex account. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.